How you doing, guys? And welcome. I have been to Aldi and we are going to review hot honey chorizo mac and cheese. Yeah, it's made by Inspired Cuisine. A traffic light system. We have 20.4 grams of fat. We have 12.8 saturates. We have 13.3 grams of sugar and 2.63 grams of salt. So let's have a look at the back of it. So it is a cooked macaroni pasta and it's got a chorizo hot honey sauce topped with mozzarella cheese and smoked paprika crumb. Nice. So you have to cook it in the microwave for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. You pierce the film lid several times, cook on full power for the time specified, leave to stand for 1 minute after cooking. So we have got some allergens and they are in bold. So wheat, milk, barley and metabisulfite. So the whole pack weighs 300 grams, specially produced for Aldi stores. And this was £1.39, guys. We are just pricking the top. We are going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. This is it. So, oh. It's got a bit of a cheese pull. Wow. Oh, you could taste the hot honey. Wow, that's really good, guys. For £1.39, it's a nice little snack. It's very cheesy. Aldi, you definitely hit out the park with this one. I definitely recommend this, guys. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Spitting everywhere. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm just going to eat all this now. Lovely. It's my cat. Come to see what's going on.